hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be reviewing and unboxing the November Fresh and Flowers box. As always, I've pretty much avoided all social media platforms, so I haven't seen any spoilers. I'm so excited. Every single box I've had from the Fresh and Flowers subscription has been absolutely incredible, and I cannot recommend it enough. Obviously, not getting paid to say that. I do just want to say that I buy all of these with my own money, and I just do this because I enjoy it. But yeah, I'm so excited. So if you haven't subscribed, obviously make sure you do, so you can see me unbox these every single month along with the Lush kitchen box. But yes, let's dive in. I'm so excited. Let's go. So opening the box, the theme for this month is Bonfire Box. So let's open it and see what the inside looks like. I already see a few classic products in here. I'm so excited. Wow, this box seems to be pretty full. I feel like we've got a lot more products than we usually do. Could just be me. I can't quite remember how many we get in the boxes each month, but this looks like a really good kind of packed box. So let's go through all the products. I'm so excited. Let's go. So the first thing in the box is the Volcano foot mask. Now this is available in all stores, and if I'm being honest, I never actually bought this only because I felt like the idea of a foot mask for me just wasn't in my routine, if that makes sense. I always felt like I would buy it and never properly try it, but this one sounds amazing. I do need to give it a try, and I have it so I can actually give it a go. But essentially with this one, it says on the front, wallow in deeply cleansing kaolin with a cooling slather of fresh tomatoes and stimulating menthol crystals. Sounds unreal. Ingredients wise, this one has kaolin, pumice powder, lime flower, fresh tomato, fresh papaya, glycerin, bentone gel, menthol crystals, Sicilian lemon oil, cinnamon leaf oil, loads of amazing things. But from what I can remember, this smells very herbally, very earthy. Not my vibe, but I'm going to give it a try and see if my nose has changed over the years, because that can always happen. Let's give it a go. Okay, it's not gross. Very herby, a little bit spicy, if you know what I mean. It looks like this. It's basically a grey face mask kind of texture, and you do need to keep this in the fridge, I believe. Do you have to keep this in the fridge? Actually, I don't think you have to keep it in the fridge. I do think though that it has a very small expiration date. Let me check. It doesn't actually say, so I have no idea, but I do believe that this only lasts for about 3 months or so, so I will be using this over the next 4 weeks before my next box comes, so I love that. Next up is the face mask of the month, and this is the Turmeric Fresh face mask. They've changed the pots this month. Whether that's going to be a continuous thing from now on, I don't know. I do like it though, and this one says an invigorating astringent mask to tone and stimulate the skin using turmeric, orange juice and ginger. Not gonna lie, ginger is not one of those spices that I enjoy. I actually really don't like it, but I will give it a try. And ingredients wise, this one has kaolin, fresh carrot, orange juice, fresh ginger, Sicilian lemon oil, bergamot oil, turmeric powder. Let's open it and give it a smell. I'm a little bit scared, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's go. This is what it looks like. Okay, the carrot in this makes it smell like carrot soap, which is such a good smell. Very Easter vibes. Yeah, that smells amazing. That smells lovely. I really love the Fresh face masks. As you guys know, I'm a big Mask of Magnum Minty, Cup of Coffee, Beauty Sleep advocate. I love those face masks more than a lot of masks I've ever used in the past, and these that I get every single month just means I can try out more things. I will admit I haven't used Mask of Magnum Minty or Cup of Coffee in months, because I find that when I'm using these I don't really have a lot of time to use other things, but these are brilliant and I'm so excited to give this one a try, so love the sound of that. The next item is this. This is the Roasting Chestnuts soap, and that one smells like marzipan-y something. I've definitely smelled this smell before and I cannot pinpoint what it is, which is really frustrating and annoying. But that smells delicious. And ingredients wise, this one has rapeseed oil, coconut oil, rice bran oil, chestnut puree, almond essential oil. It's almond. That's what it smells like, almond. Also has cinnamon leaf oil, orange oil, and I think that's it. Smells delicious, really soft, feels amazing. With the soaps, I'm not too sure whether they are made to use like ASAP, but I did use the last one really quickly, so I'm not too sure, but that smells heavenly. Such, oh, I love that smell. Lish. So the next item in the box is this. This is the muslin spice bag, and this one says place the muslin wrap into the bath water, a stimulating bundle for a warming bath with popping candy. And ingredients wise, it has popping candy, cinnamon stick, dried orange slices and some cloves. It just smells like a spicy drink, do you know what I mean? Like a really warming spicy drink. I love the idea of this. Something like this is so different, and I really love that because I know that you wouldn't ever buy this from Lush because it's just a bit like, I don't know, do you know what I mean? It's something different, it's cute, I love that. The next item in the box is this. This looks like to be a sort of sample size of their cleansers. It's the Turmeric Roll Cleanser, and ingredients wise it has ground almond, kaolin, sunflower petals, glycerin, lavender oil, witch hazel oil, neroli oil, geranium oil, orange flower absolute, rose absolute and turmeric powder, and also fresh aloe gel. Let's give it a smell because I need to see what it smells like because I can't resist, let's be honest. Spicy, clean, that smells great. That smells lovely, and it also has a really lovely like gold flake on the top. I don't know whether you guys can see. Love that. And last but not least is this. I was a little bit confused as to what this was. I think it's a body oil. I think. I could be totally wrong. I'm not sure. Please let me know down below. What is this? This is the Hottie Enfleurage. I don't know what that means. I have no idea. Ingredients wise, it has avocado butter, cocoa butter, black pepper oil, clove bud oil, ginger absolute, ginger oil, jasmine absolute, Sicilian lemon oil, tonka absolute, vetiver oil, ylang ylang oil. Oh my goodness, there's so many ingredients in this. What else is in here? Tiger lily petals, and loads of other things. Let's give it a smell. I'm really not sure what this actually is. I have a feeling it's going to be a body oil, but I could be completely wrong, which would be really embarrassing, but here we are. Oh, yes, that smells like the Hottie Massage Bar. Now I understand the name. I guess it's like a massage bar in a cream, maybe? Should we try it? Okay, yeah, that's just a body oil. That smells like Hottie Massage Bar. Love that. Makes a nice change from the normal oils, but I think I need to put this in the fridge because it is very melty, very squishy. Definitely going to melt in my room for sure. So that is everything for the November Fresh and Flowers box. Let me know what your favourite item was down below. I'm really excited to try the face mask, the cleanser, the soap. To be honest, all of it. I love everything in this box. I do like that they have stopped doing the eye patches for a month because if I'm honest, I wasn't really using them that much, and I felt like when I went to use them they were a little bit dry, so you do need to use those really, really quickly. However, this month's box I'm a really big fan, so let me know your favourite item down below. Obviously, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do, and also I would love any video requests down below in the comments. Anything Lush, non-Lush related, I would love to know, and I do want to just make my channel amazing in 2022, so I would love some video ideas. That would be great. And yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I love you guys very much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys!